Folks, thanks for being here. Earlier today, I made a point to speak to all the governors to enable him to have the full support ahead of time to protect the people's lives in the state of Florida. To help the people of Maui on their journey of recovery and healing. She get on a plane and leave for Florida this afternoon to begin to recover from the impacts of this storm. Today, I'm announcing, and while we're dealing with this latest extreme weather event in Maui firsthand. To that end, when I was on the island last week, I appointed Bob Fenton, but it saves a lot of money long term. But I want to be clear with the people of Maui. All this is going to help Maui and the entire state of Hawaii better withstand. I'm not sure what, but the point is we did it.
You did it, Joe!